Hi, welcome to the demo of the new College of Public Health Research Data Repository. This is a research asset designed and built by the College of Public Health faculty, students, and staff for use by faculty and student researchers. There are two parts to the research data repository. There is a website available to all Temple researchers, as well as a secured storage area on the Temple College of Public Health network for data. This is the home page, and if you look across the top, you can see some menu options such as where to start with research data sets, about the data repository, and the data request form. You can also scroll down and link directly to purchased data, which are data sets that have an associated cost, curated data, which are data sets merged by CPH data analysts, and selected public data, which is free data. We also have a link to data dictionaries, where investigators can explore variables for research questions, and an area to identify online data sets, which are external sources to help you look for and find data resources online. And this links to various online data. We also have a How Do I section where you can also find getting started, requesting data, adding data, merging data, some information about what is defined as curated data, how to learn more, how to contact us and request help, and also how to find visualization and analytics tools. If we come up here to start research with data sets, we have some information on how to begin using data sets for public health research or teaching, and we suggest the following steps. Also, information about the repository. There's some background, our vision, and benefits to the College of Public Health community. If you would like to request data, you can complete a data request form, and this form can be completed. It's a quick form to fill out. It will go into our request database, and we will be back in touch with you. If I come back to the home page, I can come in and take a look at some of the purchase data. And we have PHC4 Regions 8 and 9 and the AHA Health IT Survey. If you go into each of these, there's some information about the metadata. Any specific data sets will have the paths listed here on the network. Until you fill out a data request form and get approved, you may not be able to see the full file path here. Please note that these are not direct links from the website, but once you are approved for access, you will be provided the path and the method to be able to get this data from the network. And the AHA Health IT Survey. And with all these data sets, we do have supporting documents, such as release notes and data dictionaries. In our curated data area, we have PHC4 inpatient merged with AHA IT. We have a hospital cross-reference list. And this can be used to connect many different data sources. We also have hospital compare data that has been merged with the AHA IT data set and the BRFSS, which has been merged with the Area Health Resource file. And this includes the metropolitan and micro statistical area subset for Pennsylvania. Under public data, We have some pretty popular types of data for healthcare research, links to Hospital Compare, some very useful crosswalks and mapping files, and these are very specific to having geolocated fields such as zip code and county, and so you can merge files based off of geographic units. And also from the home page, we have the data dictionaries. And these are thumbnails, but you can pop this out and download the entire PDF if you want to look at specific file layouts. We also have all of the release notes located in our Team Google Drive that you can download. And to identify online data sets, these are links to external sources that can help researchers find and use secondary data sets. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to check out the website, or you can contact us. You can contact me directly through my email or anybody within the HSAP department. Thank you.